I never really thought it would be possible for me to do a career change at this stage in my life, but WorkSource made it possible and Home Forward made it possible.
In the Portland-Vancouver metropolitan region in 2012, more than 20,000 households served by public housing authorities were below 50% area median income. Many of these individuals were working and living in subsidized housing, but not able to support themselves. So with the award of a $5.5 million grant from the U.S. Department of Labor, the local workforce development boards and housing authorities in 4 counties teamed up to try something different. Together, the workforce boards and housing authorities designed a program to guide public housing residents to career track employment. By sharing a vision, pooling resources, and working together, these agencies strengthened collaboration, helped reduce barriers, and provide opportunities for individuals to grow and succeed. There's a lot of people that are low income in the region, and there's no one organization that has enough money to solve that kind of need. And I think over time we've recognized that you just don't house someone and then solve all the problems, and you just don't put someone to work without, stable housing and think that everything's going to be fine.
During the Housing Works program, I got my certified nursing assistant's license and learned the interview and job search skills to become a CNA.
When Sonia came into the program, she was transitioning into the healthcare field, didn't really know a lot about the CNA field and the position in itself. So when she was able to make small achievements and pass her licensing and see that she was capable and she was worthy of the things that were happening to her, that changed her confidence, that she realized that she could do this on her own.
I have my own apartment, which I've never had before. I bought my very first car that I've never done before. This has just shown me that I can do it. I'm capable of it.
As of November 2015, Housing Works has served 463 people. Of these participants, 291 have earned 470 credentials. So far, 291 participants have secured a job, and 122 have obtained career plan employment related to their goals and the training received through Housing Works. We expect these numbers to increase as we complete the program in April 2016. And I think to the extent that we participate in a pilot project like this that helps our federal partners learn what works well in a local context, hopefully that learning translates up and out into the rest of the country.
Basically, I worked as a dental assistant, single mom with 5 kids, and I couldn't even make the ends meet financially. So I know that I needed to make a career change and do something that, first of all, paid more money and was fun doing. I am a warm line operator. It is a step down from crisis, so people needing to vent their thoughts. I learn new things from my coworkers and from callers every day. It's a really, really exciting career.
By working together, we build a stronger community and empower individuals to be self-sufficient.
The idea that somebody could gain a higher wage job and begin working for their family and move off of public subsidy really benefits us all.
Right before I entered the Housing Works project, I was actually in a really rough spot. I had sent out a bunch of applications and a bunch of resumes, and I had gotten almost no bites. My family had just gotten over a bout of homelessness, so we were in a really tough spot. We'd finally gotten back into an apartment, and I really needed a job to try and help my family out. I had education, I graduated cum laude, but I didn't know how to turn that into a job. So they sat down with me, helped me write a resume, helped me write a cover letter, kind of helped me make my answers good and up to snuff, and I got a job after that.
His resume was high quality, he interviewed well, he looked professional, he presented himself well, and he was excited about the position. And I think that very much attracted me to be able to have him join our team.
This job has really put me back on track for kind of the rest of my life.
Now they have choices. They're not just limited to public housing. And I think that's ultimately The goal of all public housing executive directors is to get people to move on and give them the opportunity to live wherever they want to live.
Without Housing Works, I definitely would not have found the time or resources to get the job that I have. It was something I needed to help take care of my kids. It's a great program. I would have been lost without it.